I'm going to do a quick tutorial on the Oxbar 50-ton spreader that we've been working on thanks to Bailey and Coldfire. Alright, so we go to the store, go to Tools, go to Load Spreaders, and you'll see the 50-ton adjustable length spreader bar. Okay, and this is how you're going to see it in the shop. Right, so you can do a single crane lift. That's where you want something to attach directly to the bar itself, and you're only going to be lifting with one crane. To do two cranes, you can do one with like this that attaches directly to the spreader bar, with the second crane having the tandem lift, and basically it allows straps to be attached, and I'll show you that here in a little bit. You also have spreader bar color, so we can change the color of the spreader bar, the shackles, the shackle pin, like a blue. Then you can also do the color, the logo color, the decal color. Decal color also changes the color of the little support frame that we made there. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. We'll buy it. Now we'll see it's right there. Okay, so with this, you can see it's on a pallet, so you can lift it up using a forklift or forks, but you can also lift it using the ubiquitous green arrow letting you know where the attachment point is. All right. So here, so it allows you to load it onto a truck bed. Right. So you move it, you get it where you want it, then you can drop it down. Or if you're ready to go ahead and use it, you can attach it. But if you notice, it's not moving by itself. In order to do that, you're going to come out and use this IC node. It will unstrap it from the pallet and allow this to move completely independently. Okay, the whole crane is rocking a little bit. No, it's not fully supported right. Okay. You also have IC nodes to select the different length configurations up to 15 meters. Right. The best thing to do, so this bar needs to be within 10 meters of this pallet in order for you to change its size, right? Okay, give me just 1 second. There we go. All right, so I'm going to move this down to the ground in front of it. I'm going to detach from it. It's always best to detach because it's actually adjusting the input, the attacher joint, the hooking point as well. Okay, so here we go. So now we can select the length. Let's do 6 meters. So we added, when we hit that, all the other IC nodes go away, so you know which one to select to go back to the default. But it also takes the appropriate bar from the stand and adds it to your bar, right? So here we can lift up and lift the support bar, and now we can attach it to a load, move things like that. You can also daisy chain these, so you can attach another one here, another one there, and keep on attaching them. Just keep in mind, the more that you attach, the less Farm Sim likes it. But with that, the last one you're going to want to do is the dual lift, because that has the tension belt nodes on it, and it should allow you to use tension belts to attach to it, because it's not going to look right if you try to use the attacher joint, because only one end's going to attach, the other one's not. So using tension belts for both on the end should work. I have found in trying to do a lift where you stand an object up with a single crane. Farm Sim did not like that. I had one of these like this, the other one with the tension belt or the dual lift. Attach this directly to the object, use the other one to use tension belt to attach to it, and it did not like it. It kept on dropping one side or doing weird things that it was like, okay, that's not right. So I tried it with two dual lifts. That didn't work out well either. It will work if you have two cranes, each one with their own bar. Either one like set up like this for a single lift and the other one set up for a tandem lift, or both of them with the tandem lift set up. That will work, but it won't work with just a single crane. Let me quickly show you the tandem lift. Shackle color, shackle pin color, decal color. There we go. Oh, did it on the other side. Okay. Alright, so we're going to swing around and attach the other bar to one of the ends. Looks like I gotta increase some values. Okay, attach the bar. Release it. Now we can lift it. Alright, so now what you'll notice is there are controls for, so if you go into your control settings, go to the Ox 50-ton spreader bar, you can have a lift, lower, raise, lift and lower, or raise and lower, and increase the width. So basically what that's doing is it's taking the point, gotta select the right thing. It's taking where the straps are going to be and changing the end point, right? So there's a little teeny tiny collision there. So as I take it down to the ground, you'll see it's lifting it up, right? Because there's a little teeny tiny collision there. So you basically take that and drop that down to the top of whatever object you're trying to lift, and then you can just sort of align these, and then you'll use the straps to attach to it.